Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are gonna talk about 5 palettes for autumn. So if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Me talking about fall palettes with this rainbow look on my eyes. It is what it is. This is a first impression of the Illamasqua rainbow palette. It looks something like this. I will link this video down below, even though I think this video with the 5 palettes will be available first. And as well, I did film another video today, so 3 videos in a day. I don't think I ever did that, but on my face I do actually have 2 different foundations. I do have the Purito on this side and the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin on the left side, and I do have 2 different mascaras as well. So I will link that video down below, but as well I think that will be live later. Let's stop rambling and let's talk about the 5 palettes that I do have. I love all of them, they are very nice. So let's start in random order. The first one is the VZ Dark Edit palette. And I love this palette. Look at it, it's so dark and yummy. I love VZ quality. Very good formula, very pigmented, very easy to work with. And I love that they create these smaller palettes. They are so nice. And as you can see, you have 2 rows of matte shadows and 1 row of shimmers. I really like this formula and I really like this palette. Very good quality, and like I said, I love this size of palette. I think it's perfect because you do have a lot of shades in here. You have 12 shades in this small palette. I think that is amazing. So I really recommend this palette and I love this size. For example, compared to the next one, the next palette that I want to recommend is the Nabla Cutie palette, and this is the Wild Berry one. And as you can see, the VZ is a bit smaller actually than the Nabla one, and here you get 6 shades. So there's a reason I love this size very much. But this palette is so stunning as well. It looks something like this, and I love this color story. It's so beautiful, and these shimmers are really special. This is a taupe shade and this is a more full opaque shimmer. Very beautiful. This shade is very interesting. It's like a satiny shade. You get some glimmer into it, but it's so beautiful. I love this. This shade is unique really because it is on the creamier side of the matte range, and it is really special. I really love it. And you get these 3 mattes that are amazing. This shade is very beautiful, very colorful. Then you get this reddish shade, so they are totally different. And then you get this blackberry shade, which is very dark, and you can do a very dark look with this. If you want a smoky eye, just put this one into the lid and blend it with this one, and you get a very easy to create smoky eye. I love this palette. The quality is very nice. I just love it. The next palette here is the Sigma Untamed, and I feel like this palette screams fall. The only shade in here that is not that fall appropriate, let's say, is this blue, but all of the rest of them are so grungy and so dark and so nice. I really like this quality. It's very nice. The only thing that this palette is missing for me is a more lighter shade for me to blend. I can't use any of these mattes to blend into my crease. I can apply any of these and just blend the edges with small circular motions. So this is more of a companion palette for me. But this is very beautiful. These shimmers are really nice, and like I said, you get a really good variety of fall shades. So I do really recommend this palette, and the quality is really, really nice. And we are gonna end this video with two Natasha Denona palettes, just because I love Natasha Denona. So the fourth palette is the Natasha Denona My Dream palette. This is the newest addition to the Natasha Denona family, and it looks like this. This is again a very, very fall palette in my opinion. It is very, very nice. I really like this color story. I will list down below any videos with these palettes. I do have a first impression with all of them. The shadows are so, so nice. I love the cream to powders. It's the best formula out there in my opinion. And the shimmers are really nice. I really like it. And the last palette in here is the Natasha Denona Metropolis. This is my favorite Natasha Denona palette, and I'm not sure if any palette will be able to beat this one, just because I love this color story and I love this format, and these shades are really nice. I don't know if this is still available. So, so stunning. I love green shades and the warm, neutral, Yanni shades. Again, this screams autumn and grungy shades. So I don't know if this one is available right now, but if you have it, don't forget to use it for the fall season, and I can't wait to use this one again. So these were all 5 palettes, a very, very short video, but I wanted to film it. I feel like it is very, very fun, and these are the 5 palettes that I will use a bunch this fall. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.